Well, folks, let's see what we can do about welding in our new frame rail. Yeah, okay. Control fine, 1419. Okay, wire speed's good. Right up there. This out. You know, I can't wear my head cam and my welding helmet at the same time. It's a disconcerting revelation. So let's put you on a tripod. So, since I'm welding underneath, overhead, crawling around under the car, I'm going to put on myself some protection here. It's proven to be useful in the past. Let's just put it that way. Okay, I think you got a pretty good view from there. Okay, now I gotta just cut and fit the little piece in there. And weld that one in. Well, folks, there you have it. The new frame rails are welded in. Got both sides done here, and they're coming good. And now all I have left to do is to notch my front cross member, and all my metal work is basically done on this. So that gives me lots of room for whatever I want to do there. Thinking shorty headers. I'll have plenty of room to bring them down and alongside the block and out the back, and we'll see how that goes. I do have to do something about my fuel line though. It comes up on the wrong side, and I'm not sure if I want to switch it over back at the tank, or I'll probably just bring it up and cross it over here up at the front. But thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, click the little bell, and you'll get notified of any updates that I make on this. And next up is that booger right there, and we'll see how that goes.